Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Incognito mode, or as it's officially called in Safari, private browsing mode on your Mac. This is perfect if you want to browse without saving your history, cookies, or autofill data. Let's get started. First, open up Safari on your Mac. Now, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, click on New Private Window. And that's it. A new Safari window will open with a dark Smart Search field at the top. This means you're now browsing in private mode. When you're in private browsing, Safari won't remember the pages you visit, it won't save search history or autofill forms. And cookies from websites are deleted as soon as you close the window. Just keep in mind, this doesn't make you completely invisible online. Your internet provider, school, or employer may still be able to see your activity. Once you're done, simply close the private window and everything from that session will be cleared automatically. And that's how you use Incognito mode, aka private browsing, in Safari on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick Safari and Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.